games run khel kan tumal chumi ping chu hla tunge chhakchhuak ma se zok ti ania tuna hianin paper shangai hianin I hla thu kan sia ka chu kan keima hian ka utan ka sia ka ui keima tan sia bo ka chu kan mix tam feka chuanin bola hianin a shanin kan neya chu kan pick ruala ma chuani aroi sa chhuak ma sa kha kan chak zel dolli.
Okay, so today in the midst of this pandemic, we're gonna have some fun. So we're gonna have a competition on gospel songs. The name of this game would be who can guess the song first. Okay, so I have written some words inside these chits for Rosie, and she has also done the same for me. So we do not know कि इसके अंदर में कौन सा वर्ड लिखा हुआ है. So we're just gonna pick it together. एक साथ हम दोनों पिक करेंगे और उसको खोलकर अंदर में जो लिखा हुआ है जो वर्ड उसको हम लोग उसके ऊपर हम लोग गाना गाएंगे और जो जल्दी गा सकेंगे वो जीत जाएंगे. So let's begin. 1, 2, 3 start. Faith as small as a mustard seed can move mountains, move mountains. Faith as small as a mustard seed can move mountains by the power of God. So I used to teach this song, faith. The name, like the word which is written inside here is faith. This song is one of my favorite song. I mean, like there are so many favorite songs of mine. मैं Sunday school बच्चों को मैं सिखाती थी तो it's very close to my heart. So one on. 1, 2, 3 start.
परमेश्वर पिता परमेश्वर तू ही है दाता हमारे जीवन का जीवन से भी है उत्तम तेरी करुणा सदा हम पर. Amen. परमेश्वर. I love the song.
But dito 2 points dito. Okay, 1. 1, 2, 3, go.
Sing first.
I think.
Alright. Let's do the paragraph from this time.
Ingor din dali may hinto tan pili.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Majesty. Worship His Majesty. Unto Jesus be your glory, honor and praise.
Okay.
ये गाना बहुत सुंदर है. लाइक बिली ग्राहम होमकमिंग में गाया था. बचपन में मैं बहुत सुनती थी इस गाना को. So to all.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, go.
It's about love.
Okay, let's do it again. Let's do it.
Alright, चले आओ. तितल ले आओ.
1, 2, 3. आराधना में करूँ. I don't know the song.
Adiglaw.
आराधना में करूँ.
Adiglaw, there is no such song. Ready? 1, 2,
3, go.
Start one first. Next. Wait. 1, 2, 3. thầy lâu mi. Okay, next round.
Whenever gets close to the ground.
You have to sing the whole song. No, that
No,
will
it's
not be.
okay, it's okay.
Whenever gets close to the ground. Okay. Yeshu Nam, Yeshu Nam, Yeshu Nam, Yeshu Nam, Yeshu Nam, Yeshu Nam, DJ. Yes. All right. 1, 2, 3. Ui, có không thì liền đi 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 xuống. Ngày nào có không thì đâu.
Okay, all in palong to the children.
Chú nghe sa chua viết gì. Sa diao đâu thì gì.
All in palong to the children. What is next?
Okay, ready and 1, 2, 3.
Wait. Cái này ring lâu hết lại cái lâu là.
1, 2, 3. Cô ngây nào mà môi lên đúng không? Ready, May?
Okay. Next,
2, 3.
Run to the world.
किसने पहले गाया?
Me, of course.
Okay. So इस समझ से सुनो. ठीक है, छोटी है. No problem. Next round, 1, 2, 3. We got a tail out. Bobby,
Oh, no, I know the song.
पवित्र आत्मा मुझे ले जाओ यीशु के चरणों में पवित्र आत्मा. लेकिन सब चीप तो last round तू ना जाने. Last round. 1, 2, 3. कोई नहीं पकड़ ले तो. धन्यवाद के सांस तुझे ओ
What a beautiful name it is, the name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a beautiful name it is.
So we're done with our game, and I'm the loser.
I'm the winner.
And the winner of this game is obviously my beautiful sister Rosie Chhakchhuak. Yay! Kan tiswa nok no kan subansan kan reshoot later tara kan subansan animom po ka ring chang lo amay ra chu below mi tuive and itsuan channel hi milo subscribe sa kanga milo share sa kanga.
Hope you guys like
it. Kan lo me. Thank you. God bless you.